third video in Lesson 3, and this one is on scientific notation. Some numbers in the world are just too big or too small to work with. Okay? Scientific notation makes them manageable. And I'm going to abbreviate psi naught. Makes them manageable. A number in scientific notation needs two things. First, you need to have a number from 1 to 9.999. So 1 is the smallest, 9 with a bunch of 9s as decimal points is the biggest that you can go. Second, you need power of 10 to tell how far the decimal point has moved. It sounds a little confusing right now, but after I show you a couple of examples, it should be pretty good. Let's say you had 1,342. Well, if there's no decimal point given, always put it at the end. Now I'm going to take this decimal point and I'm going to keep moving it either to the left or to the right until I have a number between 1 and 9.999. Well, if I move it once, I have 134.2. That's not between 1 and 9. If I move it again, I have 13.42. Still not where I need it to be. Now if I move it a third time, there we go, 1.342. That's between 1 and 9.999. So 1.342 times 10. Now how many times did I move the decimal point? Well, I moved it 3 times. And my exponent is positive because original number is greater than 1. All right, let's do another example. 0.546. Now let's say you have to convert to scientific notation. Well, here's my decimal. If I move it once, well, now I have 5.46. That's between 1 and 9.999. So I have 5.46 times 10. I moved it once, and my number is going to be, and my exponent's negative. Because original number is less than 1. let's do another couple examples of these to make sure that everyone's got it. 0.0098 and 200,465. Well, this one, I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 times, and I get 9.8 times 10. I moved it 1, 2, 3 times, and it's negative because my original number is less than 1. Now for this one, no decimal, so I'm going to throw it there. I'm going to keep moving it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.00465 times 10. Oops. I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and this one's positive because my number originally is greater than 1. Alright, now let's do convert back to scientific, convert from. Scientific notation. Well, now we're just going to do the opposite of what we did before. Let's say we have 3.78 times 10 to the minus 3. So I'm going to take that 3.78 and, if negative, move decimal point, dp, to the left, which gets it smaller. I'm going to move to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See how I have blank spaces here? I'm going to put zeros in every blank. So 0.00378 is my answer. Now let's do another one. Let's do 9.8 times 10 to the 4th. So I'm going to take my 9.8, and if positive, move decimal point to the right, which makes it bigger. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And in every blank, I'm going to put zeros. So I have 98,000. And that is scientific notation. That'll do it for this video and this lesson, so thank you, and I'll see you later.